My sisters, the hijab is not something you wear part-time and then take it off whenever you feel like it. It's a garment that is wajib, obligatory upon every single Muslimah. It is also a garment that should not be tight, transparent, decorated, or perfumed. That is not the correct hijab. The hijab should be: number 1, covering the whole body. Number 2, should not be an adornment in and of itself. Number 3, thick and not transparent. Number 4, loose and not so tight that it describes any part of the body. Number 5, it should not be perfumed. Number 6, it should not resemble the clothing of men. It should not be considered as libas ash-shuhra, extravagant dress of high status. Number 8, it should not resemble the kuffar.